Things you're going to need for this project: 2 candle holders, 2 mini plates, where you can get from the 99-cent store. They are cake candle plates. You will need floral gel beads, Mod Podge glue, Mod Podge applicator. This is like a super glue, a candle vase, and some beads, scissors, tape, glitter, and last but not least, a glue gun. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a candle, and the reason why I think I do a lot of candles is because there's so many unique and beautiful ways you can do it by mixing 99-cent store and the Dollar Tree. And so when I was shopping, I saw this vase that I remember a long time ago, it's like a couple years ago, they had a yellow one like this, and I was trying to make wall sconces, and I was like, God, I wish they just had white. It would be so beautiful. And so I was there the other day at 99-cent store and I saw it, and I was like, oh my God, they finally have the white that I've always wanted. What I want to do is just adhere these together, put this here to dry, and then the next thing I want to do is I want to put glass glitter on. I think that glue is thick enough.